Let's go!
Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today we are making a video how to adjust frame on your images. So first of all we have to select an image. So here is the image. Go to shapes option and then go custom shapes option and they go there, choose frames options and select your frame here, and then we go to make an frame on the image. We can change the style of the frame. Let us go there and change the style of frame, and you can adjust the frame. Press Ctrl T and you can adjust it and make it bigger. So thanks for watching.